hanging dips, a compound exercise. Please read the disclaimer and waiver. This is a great compound exercise, guys. As I've explained before, a compound exercise is an exercise that works multiple muscles at the same time. This is a fantastic upper body exercise, but does take some practice to master. If you keep yourself quite upright in this one, you're going to be working your triceps more, okay? Putting most of the emphasis on the backs of the arms. When you lean forward more, you're accessing more of the pectoral strength and using your upper body more, demonstrated in this second version. So a great exercise, guys. It really works the upper body well. It does take some practice. Make sure that you lower very slowly each time. And if you can't master the pushing up, just lower yourself really slow and then push yourself back up with your feet until you have the strength to be able to go down and up. Thanks very much for checking out the video, guys. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and of course, comment.